What's up guys, welcome back to another JF Production Studio video. In this video, we're just going to be doing a quick little unboxing and a little review and installment guide of the new Rhinoshield wrist lanyard. So yeah, we're just going to be pretty much just opening this up and seeing what it's all about. So, I actually did get a case as well with the lanyard, and it comes in two different variation. One of them is more of a braided. Well, let's take a look at it. It's cool little packaging, and this is what it looks like. So like I was saying, it comes in two different variation. This is the braided version, and it also comes in kind of like a rubbery silicone variation. The length of it from here to here, it's about 15 inches. So yeah, there's the lanyard. It actually comes in at a price of $17.99 of the moment of recording this video. And you also need to buy a lanyard card, which you need to be able to install it and hook it up to your phone case. Show you what that looks like. So here's the lanyard card. Actually not metal or anything. It looks like it's some kind of fabric material, and that's pretty much just to hold it there. It's got the clip there. Let's see the case I went with. See if they sent me like a sticker or something. No sticker. I have had Rhinoshield cases before, and they are my favorite. So we went with the Dragon Ball Z design. That's clean with the number 4 Dragon Ball on there. So yeah, let's get into. Let me show you guys how to actually install this onto your phone. It's nice, quick, and easy. All right, so for the installation process, like I said, it's super easy. You're gonna want to just take the card here and slide it down into your case with the Rhinoshield logo facing out. I don't know if I mentioned, but the Rhinoshield card does not come with the lanyard, so that is sold separately, which is $5.99, which is kind of lame because I feel like it should just come with the lanyard. But so I do want to tell you guys this: when you are putting it down, maybe leave some room here because these Rhinoshield cases are really hard to take off once you put them on. So I would recommend getting the top in there first like that, and then sliding it down, because what you don't want to do is close the case with this maybe sideways like that. Whenever you have it set where you want it, you can just close it. So tighten the corners down, and there you have it. Because that's annoying. So all the corners are set. It's all good. Next, literally all you do is put this bad boy on there like that, like a lanyard. So this is what it looks like when it's fully installed here. The braid is actually, it's pretty soft. It's not like very rough or anything like that. You got a strap here if you'd like to adjust it. You could make it fit your hand, or just have it a little tighter, so if you just wanted to hook it on your finger or something. But yeah, I think this is pretty neat little accessory for your phone. I could see it coming in handy, like if you're just like grabbing your phone, or if you're just walking around. Sometimes it's a pain to just like hold on to your phone like this all the time. I think with this, I think will come real useful. yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I was just showing you guys a little unboxing of the new Dragon Ball Z case with the new Rhinoshield lanyard and little installation for you guys. But yeah, if the video helped you guys out, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.